There's still people on the roof! Get back here!
So much for the rescue. Any ideas?
Everybody calm down. I live around here, and that chopper looks like it's heading to the mall. It ain't far. I'll take you there.
Let's go then.
Trust me when I say we should grab any weapon we can.
Hey, you got downstairs! Shit! This place is burning like rats!
Grab the shot!
You hear that? It's not worse yet!
One that runs.
Reloading!
Reload!
Heads up!
I can't see shit.
I'm reloading. Watch out!
Oh shit! Watch out!
This elevator's still working!
Push the button.
So, pleased to meet you. You can call me Coach. What's your name?
Hell, it's pleased to meet you, Coach.
My name's Rochelle. You?
Name's Nick. I'm gonna get out of this piece of shit city if it kills me.
Let's stay together for a little while longer at least, okay, Nick?
Get ready.
Ooh, I know a gun store we can stop out along the way. Get ourselves some real weapons.
Sounds good to me.
A gun store? For the first time in my life, that sounds good.
Okay.
What are we waiting for? Let's go.
Reload.
Reloading!
Reloading. Shit! Watch out!
Reloading. Hey, look out! I think we need to hit him in the head.
Pathway. Let's move. All right. Hunter.
We gotta get over that bridge. Down here.
We'll have to suck him up. We need you for a little more.
Guns
Can
here.
y'all cover me? I gotta heal. Reloading!
Reloading.
Shit. I think these guys are fireproof.
Over this dumpster.
Holy shit. No idea, but I don't think it's friendly.
So that's a tank, huh? Jesus, that thing is huge.
That was some epic shit right there.
You can have this. Hey, thanks.
Got a grenade launcher.
I'm grabbing pills.
Yeah, a little bit more than a shot.
Make sure you use this now.
Jump onto the truck.
Thanks a lot. Good to go.
Look out!
Reloading!
I'm gonna reload.
Let's grab some guns. We got shit to shoot.
Ooh, I choose this one.
I'm grabbing a gun. Should we leave some more here?
Got this just for you.
First aid.
All right, Ellis.
Healing.
Come on now. Get yourself right.
Well now, this might just work out after all. Help yourself to those weapons. Anything you need. I'm in a bit of a quandary, and I suspect it does the people that help me out. Come on upstairs when you're done.
Okay, mysterious voice.
I'm guessing you've already headed to the evacuation center in the hall. I also know the road is blocked, but I can clear it for you in exchange for you running over the floor there. Check me out.
I got Freak Show soft drinks. Let's head back.
Stand behind if you must. Protect the core.
Got the cola.
Heads up! Reloading here!
Got the cola.
Watch out!
Totally in the slot lunch line. Now, go screw yourself. I ain't helping you. I just want to see a little sunny face. Here you go.
Let's get out of here.
Good luck, man.
Heads up. Gotta reload.
Never been so happy to see a damn shopping center.
Molotov.
Hey, are these things fireproof?
Safe house.
Grabbing a shot.
Lighten it up.
Reloading.
They've been calling those boomers. For obvious reasons.
Holy shit, kill it! Misery in my bones.
Everyone, inside!
Well, we made it. Let's hope there's still somebody here.
Okay, so it's a little deserted. There might still be any back deeper in. Reloading here!
I always use these.
Reload here!
Find some real.
Reloading!
Down that escalator. Look out!
One to five, gentlemen.
Back this way.
Reload! I'm a reload!
Bill's here.
Driver here.
Reloading!
Down here.
Hey, I'm reloading.
I hear a smoker.
Reload!
I got pills. I got a sick feeling this alarm's gonna
This
get
one
us.
turn off the alarm is around there.
Look out!
Stop squirming. I'm going to heal you.
Reload!
Watch out!
Up that escalator.
There's a safe room up ahead.
Reloading.
Come on, close the door.
We're gonna have to save ourselves, people.
Yeah, I'm not getting stronger getting rescued by it here.
Check it out! That's Jimmy Gibbs Jr. Oh shit, we missed him? Oh, you know what? That's the last straw. These zombies have just made themselves an enemy.
What are we waiting for? Let's go.
Okay, so the evac station's abandoned, and we're at the center of a zombie-filled building. On the bright side, we're all probably gonna die. Ceda's not gonna save us. Any ideas?
Hey, I got an idea. Jimmy Gibbs Jr. ain't gonna mind if we borrow a stock car. He's a very generous man.
Son, you got a deal.
Now remember, they don't fill up these tanks at car shows, so we're gonna have to find some gas.
As soon as these doors open, get ready to run.
Let's get this car gassed up.
Oh shit! Watch out! Look out!
Hey, I'm reloading.
Look out! I'll say this one. Real good.
Reloading here!
Watch out!
Reloading!
Reloading!
Reload!
Reloading!
Got it.
Reloading!
Got it.
Reload!
Fill her up. Get in the tank. I've got another can in the tank. Come on. How big is the tank in this thing? Shit, gas. Get in the car.
I'm gonna be